slow and hang out, and then probably come back to camp early and catch up on journaling and playing the fire and fix our window.
We were cooking bagels on this stick that had a little fork on it, so I was just setting it on the fire grate, and it burned through today. It was a sad day. We had two bagels sitting on it cooking, and through a lot of daring, some quick moves, we were able to catch both bagels. We lost our stick.
We are hiking on this big loop called Captain Jack's Stronghold, which is where a group of like 60 Native American people held off over 600 U.S. Army troops for like 6 months while they were trying to take back some of their homeland that the government had taken. And so it's just this big rocky like maze, and it's a natural fortress made from lava flows, and we're reading all about it in our little book here, and it's really neat.
How long were the natives here?
6 months.
6 months.
In the winter though. It's cold.
Yep. They call it Captain Jack's Stronghold because they called the native leader Captain Jack.
Yep. That was not his name though.
Nope.
They did it to be me, and somehow it stuck.
Yeah, the name stuck.
Yep.
This is the tale of Captain Jack Sparrow.
I love you.
I love you more.
What have you learned?
A whole lot. I've learned that all of these rocks were made by volcanoes, and all the crevices and holes and stuff too. And it's like a big natural like war zone.
Fortress?
Fortress. It's pretty cool. What have you learned?
I've learned that there's a lot of cool stuff out in our country, and a lot of history, and I've learned that the U.S. Army had no business being out here.
I think they learned that too.
Yeah. And I learned that that big mountain over there is Mount Shasta, where we were the other day.
Oh.
You want to talk about Black Crater?
This is Black Crater. So this is where a lot of the magma came out of the ground back in the day. It all flowed out and formed these rocks, these big porous, gnarly looking rocks. But this hole here is where it all came out of. Pretty cool.
We are exploring lava flows right now at Black Crater. They're pretty cool. They're all different shapes and colors, and I've never seen anything like it.
Yep.
And I like it a lot.
So this is what they call a tree mold. When the magma was flowing down here, there was a tree standing right here. And as it burned, the magma around it cooled and solidified and left a hole.
It's a whole chute.
Yeah.
It's all the way, it's like a little slide. Pretty crazy.
This is Mammoth Crater. It's a big volcanic crater. And we're on Big Nasty Trail. Doesn't seem so bad so far.
That's because this isn't the trail. It's over there.
Oh, that's Big Nasty Trail. We were on it to get here.
Yep. Now we're just on the lookout trail.
You want to do yours?
Yeah. Man. That was so fun. It's a big hole.
Yeah, it is. Well, the other day my window fell off the track. It's a problem I've been having for a little while. But, you know, tracks are just kind of wore out, so I'm going to pull it apart and fix it here. So the track, it's this little plastic piece in here. Originally it was riveted in. I put these bolts in because the old one broke, so I put a new one in. And one of my bolts fell out, so that's why my window fell off track. So I'll find a bolt and put it back in and it should be good to go. Well, I couldn't find the bolt that fell out, but we're quite a few miles from any hardware store, so I zip tied her back in and we're back in business.